Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
End-stage renal disease. End-stage renal disease is also called as chronic renal failure. Okay. In end-stage renal disease or chronic renal failure, here there is number one, there is presence of kidney damage is present. This kidney damage is usually detected as presence of urinary albumin excretion occurs, and this urinary albumin excretion occurs to around 30 milligrams per day or equivalent, and there is also decreased kidney functions are seen. This decreased kidney function is actually detected by the glomerular filtration rate of less than 60 milliliters per minute per 1.73 meter squared. Okay. And this decrease in GFR of less than 1.5 uh, degrees per meter square, this is present for at least more than or equal to 3 months. If this is present for more than or equal to 3 months, then it is a chronic renal failure or chronic kidney disease. So there is one more new definition. So according to the new definition, what does chronic kidney disease means? Chronic renal failure or chronic kidney disease means that there is permanent loss of renal function is seen, which will lead to the signs and symptoms, and these signs and symptoms of the permanent renal failure are also called as uremia.
thank you and thank you for watching.